Gold prices have been rallying since the start of the year and they are up by more than 13%. On March 28th, I did a forecast suggesting that the prices would go above 2300 in April 2024, and indeed we have gotten over 2300, and in fact we have gotten over 2360 on April 9th. So amidst this latest US CPI data, I have a new target for the bullion, and there are a couple of great reasons why I'm saying this. March US CPI data has put the brakes on disinflation story, and the positive surprise of US CPI data has put pressure on gold prices, and it was expected as the Fed rate cuts are the main drivers of bullion rally this year. To see prices rise further, we need a rate cut by the Fed. And if the Fed continues its cautious approach to easing, gold prices risk a pullback below 2300 in May. Now, we all know that gold prices have been largely driven by Federal Reserve for the past year, and confidence that Fed will pivot sooner rather than later has caused this bullish rally. However, latest CPI data suggested that US interest rates may remain high for an extended period, and this is a situation where the USD can benefit while it can have a negative impact on the bullion. But still, I anticipate gold prices to rise this year as safe haven demand remains strong amidst this geopolitical uncertainty. There's a situation going on in Ukraine and Middle East, so investors will flock to the safe haven gold. And we have a US election as well, so investors are pretty cautious in these kind of situations. So I forecast an average of 2250 for 2024, with a high of 2400 and a low of 2200. And there are a few factors that this forecasting model depends on. The first is the Fed begins to lower rates in the second part of the year, as the latest CPI data has vanished the rate cuts expectations for June. Secondly, we will have to see the dollar decline and treasury yield falling, and geopolitical uncertainty remains. So I expect gold prices to remain within a range of 2200 and 2400. So that's it from this video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.